During the 2008 recession, after being laid off from his architecture job, Pat Flynn turned to online business as a means of financial stability. Flynn started a blog and podcast to share his experiences and insights, drawing on his interests in entrepreneurship and personal development. Now Flynn, known as an entrepreneur, blogger, and podcaster known for his smart passive income. He monetized his platforms through affiliate marketing, online courses, and sponsorships, eventually earning a six-figure income. In Oprah Winfrey's words, "Passion is energy. Feel the power that comes from focusing on what excites you." Turning your passion into a source of income can be both fulfilling and financially rewarding. Stay till the end to understand how to turn your passion into profits. The first step to make money from your passion is assess the demand and put a value on your supply. Before you dive headfirst into monetizing your passion, validate your ideas first. A good rule of thumb: ask yourself if this service or product is currently being sold. Get the answer of, is it really fulfilling demand of people? People really need it? Because if it is, then it means people are truly willing to spend money on it. It means there's an existing market and demand. But if nobody else is executing your idea, then there are two possibilities. You're inventing the something new like Facebook, or you're creating something that people don't want or need. There's no market demand. Once you become confident on your passion, define your strategy on how you will reach the demand and what we'll ask for in return for your supply of product or service. 2. Focus on providing real value. Essentially, making money from your passion is all about solving a problem or need and getting paid for it. Whether it's through a product or service, your focus should always be on providing value to your customers. Successful businesses are built on the foundation of addressing a specific problem or fulfilling a need in the market. Start by understanding the pain points, challenges, and desires of your target audience. The key to monetizing your passion is to focus on providing genuine value to your customers. Prioritize quality, functionality, and customer satisfaction to ensure that your offerings deliver tangible benefits. On this journey of making money, stay authentic. Embrace your authenticity and leverage it to connect with your audience on a deeper level. A lack of value can make it difficult to attract new customers and retain existing ones, ultimately impacting the bottom line. Your passion is what sets you apart from others in your field. Don't try to imitate someone else or follow the latest trends just to make money. You must create real value, something that makes the lives of others better. 3. Dream big but start small. Trying to turn passion into profit is inherently risky. Launching a business or pursuing a passion project involves inherent risks, such as financial investment, uncertainty, and potential setbacks. The good news is that you can minimize the risks by starting small and planning carefully. Basic advice is to start small and make your mistakes small in the early days of launching a company. You're still in the learning stages. While starting small, it's essential to ensure that your business idea is scalable. This approach helps you maintain focus, track progress, and stay motivated as you work towards your larger vision. Test the waters first and make sure whatever you do is scalable. Then, as you start seeing success, invest in rolling your products and services out in a more significant way. Break down your overarching goal into small, actionable chunks. If you want to accomplish something, break it down into smaller steps and go after them incrementally. The best way to eventually turn passion into profit is to start your business while you still have the safety and security of your day job, therefore. Keep your day job. Ideally, you won't leave your full-time position until your passion project is providing you with a sustainable, growing cash flow that is equal to at least 75% of your current salary. While many entrepreneurs are comfortable with risk, most entrepreneurs have a healthy appetite for risk. Jumping into a business venture without sufficient financial backing or a viable plan can lead to unnecessary stress and financial hardship. You shouldn't jump into anything without having a decent chance of success. By keeping your day job, you have a steady income to cover your living expenses, bills, and other financial obligations. This stability can alleviate stress and provide a safety net while you work on growing your passion project. You'll also want to have at least 6 months to a year's worth of savings in the event your business doesn't grow as quickly as expected. Maintaining the safety and security of your day job gives you the confidence to pursue your passion project without feeling rushed or pressured. Knowing that you have a steady income and financial stability allows you to focus on building your business at your own pace and taking calculated risks when necessary. Don't rush into quitting your day job without having a realistic chance of success with your passion project. Don't be quick to risk everything without having a decent chance of success. Take the time to validate your business idea, conduct market research, develop a solid business plan, and establish a clear path to profitability. Next step is market your passion. Make people aware of your passion. It needs to be visible and in front of a lot of audiences. Before you start marketing your passion, it's crucial to identify your target market, the specific group of people who are most likely to be interested in what you have to offer. Make your passion visible to your target audience by establishing a strong online presence. This includes creating a professional website or blog, setting up social media profiles on platforms where your audience spends time. Get honest feedback from people around you, even friends and family, by offering them a free product or a trial of your services. Do some research and find ways to get the word out about your product or service. Give away portions of your designs on social media to give people a taste of what you have to share with them. Continuously work on expanding your reach and increasing your audience size. The more people you can reach, the better your chances of making money at it. 6. Build a brand, not just a business. Steve Jobs wasn't selling computers. He was selling an experience, a lifestyle. Jobs understood that Apple wasn't merely selling computers. They were offering a unique experience and lifestyle to their customers. People don't just buy products, they buy stories. They buy something because they believe in it and it makes them feel good. Your brand is what people say about you when you're not in the room. The most successful entrepreneurs who turn passion into profit focus on their strengths and find others to help them fill in the gaps. When we focus on developing our strengths, we grow faster than when trying to improve upon our weaknesses. When you focus on developing your strengths and building a brand that resonates with your audience, you can achieve faster growth and success. 7. Create a system that assures sustainable growth. When you're following your passion, growth is essential for any business, but it must be managed sustainably. The foundation of sustainable growth is delivering a high-quality product or service consistently. This means ensuring that your offerings meet or exceed customer expectations. Conduct regular quality checks, solicit feedback from customers, and continuously strive to improve your offerings based on their input. Consistently provide the value that you promise to your customers. Communicate the benefits clearly and transparently to manage customer expectations and build trust. Personalize your interactions with customers to make them feel valued and appreciated. Actively solicit feedback from customers through surveys, reviews, and direct communication channels. Embrace a culture of continuous improvement within your organization. Stay updated on industry trends, customer preferences, and competitive developments to stay ahead of the curve. Analyze the data regularly to identify patterns, trends, and areas for improvement. When you believe in something, the force of your convictions will spark other people's interest and motivate them to help you achieve your goals. Remember, making money from your passion isn't a fairy tale. With the right strategy and consistent execution, you'll find that sweet spot where your passion pays off. Each step is a stepping stone to not just making money, but making a meaningful impact with your career. If you discover value in this video, kindly share it with someone you care about and wish to inspire on their journey towards financial success. Like and subscribe to us for more financial knowledge. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.